guys, I'm going to see what's in this humongous box of animal jams. Let's get one. Ah. Come on. I've got one. Oh, little penguin. Do you like him, guys? I like his detail a lot. I like how he's really blue. Do you like him, guys? I love animal jam. What do you think, guys? I'm going to get the next one. Sit down. Oh. Ah, cute. A little man panda. Ooh, I like how he's purple. Look at his crown hat. Oh, look at his little hair. Do you like the little cutie marks, guys? They're both pink. I love these. They feel really soft. Let's see what else is in the box, friends. Ah, my bag. Whoa! Whoa! It's a big set. And this fox has glittery wings. Oh, I love this. Do you love it, guys? And let me show you the box. And that's one that we've got. And it is so adorable. And it's a diamond one. Small house den. I'm going to open it up. I'm going to get some of these animal jams to my 5,000 subscribers video. This is a really nice set. It's very cute. I'm going to open it up. Can't wait when it's out. Oh, here it goes. It's out. Do you like it, guys? I'm going to get the character out. Come on, character. Oh, its wings has already fallen off. I can't wait to play with it. Oh. Here's him. He is really handsome. I'm going to get his wings. Come on. Here are his wings. Let's put them on. You can also put them here. That'll be strange. But they actually go at the back. There we go. Look at his wings, guys. They're really sparkly, don't you think? We get his pouch out. Ooh, gonna get his chair out. Here's his couch. I like how it's really red and brown. It's like wood, plastic wood though, because it's a toy. I like how these things are really detailed. To get the table. Oh, it's really wobbly. I'm just gonna get it out. It's a little table. And then here's this. There we go. Ah. And all we need is a house. Whoa! It's out! It's out! Yay! It's out! And we're going to put all his things in. There we go. It just falls. There we go. There we go. What do you think of this set, guys? That's the rug, that's the coffee table, and that's the sofa. Here's the coffee table. And here's the rug. 3, 2, 1. Tip it upside down. I'm tipping it up. Whoa! That is not one more thing. Oh my god! And here's the monkey. He's really plushy. He's a cute little necklace thing. It's my favourite colour. And this colour. Twins. I'm going to give these away on this video. And there's a gift from the Animal Jams. Let's take this out. And there's a message. I'm going to see what's in this box. More Animal Jam things. Look at this monkey. And we've got this one here. Oh. It's a really little purple and white little monkey, and it's so cute. I mean doggy. And it's so cute. It's little doggy and a monkey. I'm gonna save it, and I'm never gonna open it up. I'm gonna give it away. And there's loads of Animal Jams in here. I'm gonna open these on another video. These Animal Jams are so amazing. I really want them. Thanks guys for sending me these Animal Jams. Yay! Friends, which one's your favourite? Is it this? This? Now we've not opening. Or this? Or this? And we've already got this. And this. I really love the monkey. I love this monkey. This monkey. Back of them.
We'll keep the monkey, we'll give the rest away.
Yay, monkey! Thumbs up! I hope you loved my videos. Subscribe, comment down below. Comment down below. Press the bell. Press the bell to get more stuff. Thanks for watching, subscribe. I'm gonna play these now. Yay! I'm gonna play these now. I'm gonna play, and they're having a party. Party. I want to play this. Oh, this button. Yes, you can. Okay. There we go. Which one do you want? I want the purple one.